It's a very beautiful day, as you all can see. I'm in a very good mood, yeah, because I've been away for a very long time and I've been, trying to solve one or two shit. But then I'm back, I'm back. So in this episode, I will teach you all how to add an elevation to your designs or your, properties. So let's get started. Before we started everything, I would also ask you to please like and subscribe to this channel. It helps us a lot and it saves us more space and time. Well then, let's start. Okay, so let's enter here. Good. So this is where we want to add our elevation as in this ones. So what we will do is we just have to enter into view, then here in elevation we just choose elevation. It's as simple as it. Then you just add it wherever you want to add it, and that is all. You can choose to rotate it if you wish to. Let's make it look this way. Let's do it again. One more time. That was more. Do it again. Okay. Now this is nice. Now as you can see, it has shown here. So what we'll do is we just have to rename it. Let's rename it. And let's rename it to maybe so that is how to add an elevation to your properties. Please like and subscribe again, and it helps a lot. So we meet again, family. Adios.